If you want to move layers, masks, or any other objects in Photoshop, you need to use the Move tool. Before moving anything, you will have to select the object first. The shortcut is V. The most precise and controllable way is to choose from the Layouts panel. You can click to select a single layer or a group and then move them around. Hold the Command or Control key. Allows you to select multiple layers at the same time. You can also select multiple layers in succession by holding the Shift key. Selecting the object directly from the canvas is also available. You can hold down Command or Control key and click to select an object, or hold down Shift at the same time to select multiple objects. And if the Auto Select is checked, you can select objects more conveniently. But dragging things around will be a little bit tricky. After selecting an object, besides click, then dragging things around, there are several techniques we have. Hold the Shift key to control your movement only in vertical or parallel directions. Hold the Option key while moving the layers. Photoshop will duplicate the layers for you. If you have two files open at the same time, you can also directly move the selected object to another file. A very useful tip here is that if two files have the same size, you can hold the Shift key, move the object, and place it in the exact same position. Alignment. When you select multiple objects, you can use all the alignment arrangement tools in the option bar. That's for today's video. Thanks for watching. In this series of videos, we will go through everything in Photoshop in a most simple and clear way, and also try our best to answer everything in the comment to help. Please consider hitting the like button or subscribe to support this channel.